Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome. Take a look around. Here at Lindsay Decor, I primarily focus on Bible journaling, so lots of Bible journaling process videos, tutorials, tips, tricks, reviews, and normally my product reviews are kind of geared towards Bible journaling, but I do also have scrapbooking videos, traveler's notebooks, planners, card making, general crafty goodness. On Tuesdays, I try to do Tip Tuesdays with little snippets and little, tips and tricks that you can use in your crafting space. So check those out if you haven't already. I have a wide variety of playlists for all the different types of projects and kits and companies and different products and things like that. So definitely check out the playlist. And follow me on Instagram if you're not already, Lindsay Decor 413, and that's where you can see more close-up photos of the projects I'm working on, sneak peeks, a little peek into my life behind the scenes. So definitely follow me over there if you're not already. I also have a blog, lindsay-decor.com, and that's where you can find all of my affiliate links and swatching information for different kits, color swatches, close-up photos of projects, and just other good resources over there on my blog, so check that out. So if you like what you see, please give a subscribe, click that subscribe button, and also click the bell notification button. That way you're notified every time I put a new video up. I try to post 3 to 7 times a week, it just kind of depends. I am a mama of 2 school-age boys, so that usually takes precedence over filming, but I do try to post as often as I can for you guys and get as much content out there as I possibly can. So if you have any questions or maybe special requests for certain videos, shoot me an email, lindsaydecor@gmail.com, and I will definitely take those into consideration as I plan out my filming schedule. And as always, until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.